Are you in the market for a new countertop microwave oven? Well, today we're taking a closer look at the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS Countertop Microwave Oven. Stay tuned to find out the pros and cons of this popular kitchen appliance. Hello and welcome back to the Inspect Aspect, where we provide you with thorough reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS Countertop Microwave Oven. Let's get started. Pre-programmed sensor menu for easy heating of popular foods. Stylish black exterior with a large interior, perfect for fitting a 12-inch pizza. 1100 watts with 10 power settings for customizable cooking. Mute function to silence the buzzer. Easy-to-read control panel with a large digital display. Some users may find the size of the microwave to be too large for their countertop space. The protective film on the keypad may be difficult to remove for some users. Limited warranty of only 1 year. Overall, the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS Countertop Microwave Oven offers a variety of convenient features, making it a great addition to any kitchen. However, the size and warranty limitations may be a drawback for some consumers. If you're in need of a reliable and stylish microwave oven with advanced features, this may be the perfect option for you.
To get this great product, click on the link below in the description. As always, thanks for tuning in. This is the Inspect Aspect signing off. Stay curious and keep inspecting.